Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. My prayers are with the people of Myanmar and Thailand, whom were recently struck by a 7.7 magnitude earthquake. I pray to Radha, Govinda and Lord Narsingha for their protection and recovery. You can donate through me as well. I will make sure they get to the right victims through ISKCON Mandalay, Myanmar. For now, I would like to read Bhagavad Gita as it is by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. We are now on introduction. Om Agyana Timirandasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chachur Om Malitam Yena Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Manovistam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kada Mahyam Dadati Swapadam Tikam. I was born in the darkest ignorance, and my spiritual master opened my eyes with the torch of knowledge. I offer my respectful obeisances unto him. One will Srila Rupa Goswami Prabhupada, who has established within this material world the mission to fulfill the desire of Lord Chaitanya. Give me shelter unto his lotus feet. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Vita Pada Kamalam Sri Guru Vaisnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Saganal Rahu Nata Vitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padam Sagana Lalita Sri Visakar Na Vitam Cha. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my spiritual master and unto the feet of all Vaishnavas. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of Srila Rupa Goswami along with his elder brother Sanatana Goswami, as well as Raghunatha Dasa and Raghunatha Bhatta, Gopala Bhatta and Srila Jiva Goswami. I offer my respectful obeisances to Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya and Lord Nityananda along with Advaita Acharya, Gadadhara, Srivasa and other associates. I offer my respectful obeisances to Srimati Radha Rani and Sri Krishna along with their associate Sri Lalita and Visakha. Hey Krishna Karuna Sindhu Tina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namastute. O my dear Krishna, you are the friend of the distressed and the source of creation. You are the master of the gopis and the lover of Radharani. I offer my respectful obeisance unto you. We can see that before diving into spirituality, before reading Bhagavad Gita or any scriptures, we are giving obeisances to our acharyas and lords so that we can get blessings from them. We'll read more in future. Hare Krishna.